Hello, I am back for part 2 of composite shapes. This time we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape. So it's a pentagon. It's an irregular pentagon. It's not the pentagons that you would see on a poster in a classroom, but it's still a pentagon. And let's see what we can do. We have a triangle here with a base and a height of 2 and 2. So I'm going to color this in red. So the area of that triangle is 2 times 2, which is 4 divided by 2, because we always divide by 2 for triangles. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that's the area of this triangle. I'm going to change color. This triangle over here, this blue triangle, there's my right angle. Area of that triangle is base times height, 6 times 2. There's my base, there's my height. 6 times 2 is 12. Always divide by 2 for triangles. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the area of this piece is 6. Then the space in between the two triangles looks like we have a square here, which is 2 by 2. So this square, the area of the square, is 2 times 2, which is 4. And then we're left with a big old triangle on top. Let's make that purple. So this triangle, the height is 4. The base they don't give us, but let's look at what they do give us. This piece is 2. This piece is also 2, and we know that because of that 2 down there. And then this piece is 6. 2 plus 2 plus 6 is 10. So going all the way across, this is 10. So that triangle, actually I'm going to use orange, a little easier to see. The height is 4, the base is 10. So the area of that orange triangle is 10 times 4, which is 40. Always divide by 2 for triangles, so 20. So my total area is, we just add up all those pieces together. My total area, oops, let's spell that correctly. Total area is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 20. And 4 and 6 is 10, plus 20 is 30, plus 2 is 32. So it's 32 units squared. And we're just adding up all these pieces. Okay, a lot of steps, but if you take it one step at a time, it's possible. Let's look at one last example. Okay, here we have another pentagon. We have 5 sides. Okay, I'm going to, but this time they don't split it for us. I'm going to go ahead and split it right here. Now it looks like I have a square up here. And down below I have a trapezoid, with this side being parallel to this side. So let's start off with the area of the square. For a square, we just multiply the side by side, so 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so that's this piece here, 16. Now, we know that the one base of the trapezoid is 4, the other base of the trapezoid is 2. The height of the trapezoid, it doesn't tell us, but because the whole left side is 8, and this side here is 4, we know that this side is also 4. So I'm going to use a different color. The area of my trapezoid, we add the bases together, 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. We divide that by 2 to get the Goldilocks, the nice in-between base. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then we multiply that by the height. 3 times 4 is 12. So the area of this trapezoid is 12. The square is 16. So the total area is 12 plus 16, or 28 units squared. And that's all for today.